Look at Paul gave us stuff. So you're gonna try it first. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Mama. Here, this is from Paul. Mama, this is from Paul. Get the buggies out. Get the buggies out. This is from Paul. I know you're such a good girl. Hold on, Mama. There you go. Oh, look at that. That's from Paul from 387. Oh man, she loves it. Is that good stuff, Mama? Is that good stuff, Mama? So that was the blue buffalo that I gave Mama. Mama loves the blue buffaloes, huh? Okay, now we gotta try black cat. We gotta try black cat, Mama. Look at all this stuff that Paul got. Black cat, check it out. Mama, check it out. Look at all this stuff Paul got us. Black cat, the sniffers. Hey, look at all this stuff. Got Scoobies. We'll put these over here. Check it out, you guys. Check it out, guys. Look at that stuff, you guys. Do you see all the stuff that Paul got? Black cat. Black cat. Oh, you got catnips on your head? Okay, hold on. Let's get you some food. Go, black cat. Are you gonna share with Mama? Oh, getting catnip everywhere. Mama, you want some treats? Here, hold on. I'll get you treats, Mama, okay? Hold on, Mama. Mama. Let's see. Here, we'll do the Friskies Party Mix, Mama. Okay, we'll do this one. The Friskies Party Mix. Come here, Mama. Are those good? Are those good, you guys? Oh boy, Paul. The kitties are loving it. Here you go, Mama. Okay, one more, and then we gotta stop. Is that good stuff? You say thank you, Paul. Say thank you, 387. Say thank you. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl, Mama. You're worse than Ash, Black Cat. Man, he wolfed that down. Here, let's see if Black Cat wants one. Black Cat, you want to try one? Okay, here, Mama. Black Cat. Okay, that's all, you guys, okay? We'll get you more later. Man, they love these. The natural yums. Huh, hold on. You guys want some catnip? Hold on, kitties. Hold on, kitties. Get him, Black Cat, get him. Mama, you want a toy? Mama. Oh, man. Get it, Black Cat, get it. Get it, Black Cat, get it. Mama. Mama, you don't want a toy? No? Mama doesn't want a toy? Black Cat likes this mouse, huh? Get it, Black Cat, get it. Get it, Black Cat, get it. I don't know if this is calm, Paul. Doesn't look like it's calming him down. Oh boy. Get it, Black Cat, get it. Are you gonna do crazy face like a random kitty? Black cat. What about this one? Black cat. No, not me. Here, Black cat, this one. Get that one, Black cat. Oh, found a little bit of food on the floor, huh? Does that hit you guys? Say thank you, Paul. Kitty said thank you, Paul. Here's a head pet from Paul. Here's a head pet from Paul. Here, mamas. That head pet from Paul. There's a head pet from Paul, 387. It's supposed to be calm. Okay, I'm gonna try some of the chicken. Chicken for Black Cat. You ready, Black Cat? You like the chicken? Is that good stuff, Black Cat? I tried one of the wipes on him. At first when I did it, he hissed at me, and then so I put some food in his bowl and I was able to wipe him down with the towels. Yeah, he likes the chicken. There you go. Play with your toys. Here. Play with your mouse. Black Cat. Play with your mouse. You want to play with the mouse, Mama? You want to play with the mouse, Mama? Well, get your mouse, buddy. Who's a good girl? Well, hi. Baby mountain lion? Black Cat. Black Cat, get your mouse. No, I don't have any more treats. You can't have so many. No. Black Cat, whack. Black Cat, whack. You can't have so many treats. Do your mouse, buddy. Or play with this corgi thing. Maybe the corgi dog. Get the corgi dog. Black Cat, the corgi dog. Black Cat, whack. Black Cat, whack. Black Cat, whack. Black Cat. Black Cat. Was that good? You need a head pet from Paul, and a head pet from John, and a head pet from Justin, and a head pet from Joe. Oh, Black Cat wax? Black Cat wax? Do we need to put the cannabis catnip down for you, buddy? Calm you down so I don't get the Black Cat wax? Oh, you're such a happy boy this morning, huh? You got yummy food, huh? Who's a good boy? Black Cat? Who's a good happy boy, Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy down there? Who's a good boy down there? Goodness, huh? Oh boy, you love that food, don't you? Huh, you love that food, huh, big boy? You love any food. Here's some big old head pets from Paul, UDX 387 and UDX 498 John, and then DX1 Justin, and 333 Joe. They got kitties too. Okay. Mama, watch out! Black Cat, leave her alone. Who wants treats? Yeah, I know you do. Where's Mama? Let's get Mama some treats too. Come on, we'll get everybody some treats. Come on, come over here. Come on, Black Cat. Come on, Black Cat. Come here, Mama. There you go, Mama. Don't steal hers, Black Cat. Godzilla roar. Black Cat, come join me in my truck, buddy. Come join me in my truck, big boy. You gotta take a break from taking a break. Take a break from taking a break, big boy. Take a break from taking a break, huh, Black Cat? You're a big handsome boy, huh? Black Cat, Black Cat. Hi, buddy. Black Cat, Black Cat. Okay, buddy. All your food's in the shop, though. I don't have any treats out here.